guys, it's Game Master here. Now, I ain't on Fortnite. I'm just here to show you a new game I've been playing recently. I want you to check it out. Go into your app store. It's called Jurassic Park Builder. Connect to your Facebook. Add me on Facebook, and you can come check out all my stuff. You can send me gifts. I can send you gifts. And I can invite you to help me research new creatures to build cages. And what's so fun about this game is that you can go over to battle, or you can do a tournament. I like to do battles because it gives you more coins. This one, here we go. I'll show you guys. But I got a new channel, new Minecraft channel. Let's see. You just collect rewards, get money, all that stuff, and you get cash, which is used to skip things like this. I'm not gonna use this dollar because I got 2 missions, and when I get this infirmary, I'm buying this, clearing that part up, and getting a new dinosaur. And let's see. There's a new feature called Red Code Mode, where a storm is heading your way, and you got to wrangle up all the carnivores, because the herbivores, they don't like to eat meat. So, they don't like to eat from the meat harbor like the dinosaurs. You level up your dinosaurs, get level 10, and you can get stars. Let's see. This, I can use 6 people. There's a bunch of stuff I need to do for that. And then I got this one over here that I need to do. It takes up 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. So that's 10. Let me just grab these coins. That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you go check out Jurassic Park Builders. Once again, you can go to your app store and search it up. Builder, and should be the second one down. Just click install. Have Facebook, you can add me. Here's my Facebook username.
Main menu.
There we go. And peace out.